Back in January 2020, companies were busy on meetings, executing various sales and marketing campaigns and organizing different events and conferences. Now, the global pandemic has forced many businesses to implement work-from-home policies. Many were left with no other choice but to reduce their sales force, while others resorted to temporary business closure to save their companies from even more catastrophic events. As months passed by, more and more businesses have learned to take all the necessary steps needed to ensure the safety of their employees as they get their feet back on the playing field. This is where the need for mobile customer relationship management, CRM, comes into play. Fortunately, businesses can now leverage their CRM via their mobile devices. Here are the 4 major benefits of CRM in a post-COVID-19 era. Learn more by visiting our website.